You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this acronym. If you want to learn how to pronounce the full form, what it actually means, make sure to stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. I'll link to them at the end of this video. INRI is how the acronym is normally pronounced. INRI. If you want to learn more biblical names, stay tuned. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.